Hi, today I'm going to talk about the regression analysis. It's a statistical method for modeling the relationship between dependent and one or more independent variables. Such as, for example, it can show how advertising spent impacts sales or weather affects crop yields. Regression is a cornerstone method in fields like economic business, healthcare, and engineering too. When it comes to the applications, mm, predicting sales trends and trend analysis, identifying the relationships between, and the customer behavior analysis, which helps identifying patterns in customer actions such as factors influencing purchases or churns. Businesses use regression to forecast future sales based on the factors like pricing, marketing efforts, and seasonal trends. And the most important thing where it applies in healthcare, where it predicts patients' outcomes based on the clinical data such as how age, lifestyle, and genetics influences the progression of the disease. Where resources allocated by the forecasting hospital admissions rates or the treatment done, and yeah, and also it comes across the risk assessment in the financial institutions, assess credit worthiness by modeling relationships between the income and credit histories and the repayment sectors. Whereas there are few steps to perform the regression analysis in Excel, which I'm going to talk about. Before that, I want to talk to you about the linear regression, which is it's a model that estimates a linear relationship between a scalar response and one or more explanatory variables. With exactly one explanatory variable is a simple linear regression. A model with two or more explanatory variables is a multiple linear regression. And also, multiple regression means where the linear regression is a model that estimates between a scalar response on one or two, one or more explanatory variables. A model with one explanatory model is a simple linear, as I said before, and a model with two or more explanatory variables is a multilinear regression. Yeah, the same, almost the same. So when it comes to the steps to perform it, firstly we're gonna load the ToolPak, which is uh, where we don't find the data analysis in every Excel's. Um, and first we have to go to the file and go to the options, where I'm gonna show you each and every step in the in few minutes right now. Interpreting the regression output. The key method R squared measures well the model fits the data closer to 1, which is called the better fit, and the coefficients which indicates the impact of each independent variable on the dependent variable, which I'm going to show you in few seconds. Well, as you can see the Excel sheet, and this is the home page where we doesn't find any of the data analysis icon. To find the regression analysis, first we go to the file, and once we go to the file section, we should go to the get add-ins home, and when you click on the add-ins, once we click on the go, we find analysis and toolpak. Once we tick mark the analysis and toolpak and VBA, once we when okay, and we can find the data analysis on the Excel sheet, where we can mm, use all the analysis tools, whichever the thing we want. But we go now to the regression and click OK. two two independent two explanatory variables at the same time. We can click on the test scores and sleep at the same time. When we copy this two at the same time like this and drag it over here until here, and that goes to the X range, and then the hours studied will be the same, So when we click on OK, I didn't do the result for this section, but that's the same thing. And one more important thing, if you want to find the multiple regression analysis for the two factors or two columns in any of them, the most important thing that you should know is they should be very closer. I mean, it should be one next to the other one. Only then it's going to be uh, uh, get the regression analysis. Only then you're going to get the result. If not, you're going to get an error. So this is the output for the sleep hours as we talked before. So to conclude this, I will say, and this regression analysis is a cornerstone of the data-driven decision making across industries. By uncovering relationship between the variables, where it provides valuable insights for understanding patterns, predicting outcomes, and solving complex problems across the board. Whether forecasting sales or analyzing the risks, improving health outcomes, or industrial processes, thus regression enables organizations to make informed or strategic decisions. Whereas its versatility or adaptability make it a powerful tool for addressing the challenges and driving them into innovation and increase their productivity in the data centric world. Yeah, thank you.